is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir, and today we're going to be heading to Two Wheel Tuesday, the first of the season, and I'm going to be riding the CAKE Kalk Race bike. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit different, but it's going to be a very enjoyable ride. Immediately into traffic. Lovely. Cool, cool, cool. The first thing you need to get used to when riding one of these CAKE Electrics is that there is a little bit of delay whenever you're on the throttle, so I can do that. It's not instantaneous. It's not 100% instantaneous. Alright, let's... Alright, I'm also trying to listen to my directions here. Gotta turn right on Metro here. Cool. And slow down. Okay, so on this bike, the brakes are actually all up on the handlebars. The rear brake is actually on the left, this guy, and the front brake is on the right, traditionally, for a more traditional feel for a motorcyclist. But it is actually nice having the rear brake up on the handlebar here, because I truly do miss having the clutch on the bike. I miss having the clutch and pulling it in and modulating my speed that way, and or just like what is going on here? Okay. Okay, here we go. Anywho, what was I talking about? Yeah, modulating my speed with a clutch. So it is nice having it, but the brakes on our bikes are a little snatchy. They're snatchy. I'll say that. So if I wanted to, I could, you know, get a little sideways, as you could see there. Or not see there. I'm not sure if you can actually tell if I did anything there. But I was skidding the rear wheel, locked it up. And it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to do that. Do not do this at home. Be kind. Rewind. You know what I mean? Be kind. Whew. This thing is fast. You know, it would be really interesting to have one of these bikes with ABS. Right now, all of our bikes do not come with ABS. None of our bikes come with ABS. This is ridiculous. Come on. So it would be interesting. It would be really, really interesting to see what kind of performance we could get out of an ABS system and how beneficial it would be. But right now, these bikes are so lightweight that it's really easy to stop them on a dime, almost. Of course, using the back brake, as I'm demonstrating in this, is that, you know, the rear skids like crazy. And so, you know, I do think that there's some benefit to having that sort of system in place, that being ABS. All right. Standing up on the pegs a little bit, which are fucking firm and fantastic. I mean, this is like riding a downhill not a motorcycle, but a bicycle. It's flickable as all get out. It almost feels illegal, and it actually is illegal because this bike does not have any charge signals or headlight whatsoever. So I am riding dirty right now. But if you don't tell, I won't tell. Alright? We're gonna make a pact together. And, you know, protect each other. Alright. Okie dokie. So I am listening to the directions on my Senna. Alright, so we're looking for Johnson Avenue. Jansen Avenue. Good old Jansen. Monterose, not Monterose, Johnson, up here. But because I don't have any plates, mainly because I don't have any plates, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Woohoo! Alright. Like I said, you know, don't be like me, being a little hooligan today. Get yourself in trouble if you do this. You know, the one drawback of this bike is that it is, the seat is extremely hard. It's like a plank. Bogart Street. I'm assuming this is Bogart. Bogart. Yep. Turn right on the Flushing. Okie dokie. But this bike is so lightweight and nimble that you're just kind of, you're on the bike, you're in it for the ride. And yeah, it's like the urban assault vehicle that you all love and want. So this could be you. All you have to do is let me know if you're interested. Yeah, okay. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Hello. Back to CAKE. Should I lean this one up? I don't have a kickstand, so I should lean it up against that. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. Perfect.
How you been, man?
Good, man.
Congratulations, man.
Yeah, thank you. So much fun. It's Two Wheel Tuesday. Two Wheel Tuesday. What can you say about Two Wheel Tuesday? This is mine. I do work for the company, though. Yeah, I do. Yeah. Well, beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
I'm looking for some weathered faces.
Weathered faces?
That's what I'm looking for, weathered faces.
There's plenty of them. Look at this guy right here. Right there with the sunglasses on top of his head. Weathered face. Alright, I'll see you later, brother. Alright, I had to get out of there. Anyways, so that was Two Wheel Tuesday, the first of 2023. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Can't lie about that. Alright. Woo! That was a big bump. Alright. Anywho's. Alright, kids. So you know what to do. If you like this video, leave a comment and let me know how angry you are that I'm riding an electric motorcycle. You know, Let me know that you hate my guts, that you hate the fact that I am defiling the industry that is known as motorcycle combustion engines and all of the above. Please let me know just how much you despise the fact that I am doing all this shit. And yeah, I hope to see you on the next video. Alright guys, I love you, and I'll see you later. Catch you in the next vlog. Bye-bye. 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 Okay, for real. Bye-bye.